Yes, good morning, everyone. Today we will do activities related to chapter number 13 of grammar. That is me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Okay. So, students, all these are, what are these? Can anybody tell me what is this? Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Yes, these are. Okay, first of all, I want to ask what is very good, Ekvir. Okay, first of all, I want to ask what is I, you, he, she? What is I, you, he, she? What do you mean by this? These words. What are these words? He, she, I, you. क्या होते हैं ये? Yes.
मैम vowels.
No. He, she. It, you.
मैम pronoun.
Yes. These are pronouns. Very nice. It also. ठीक है. So in the same way, ये भी pronouns हैं. These are also pronoun. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are also pronouns. Me, मुझे, us, हमें, you, तुम्हें, him मतलब अगर boy है तो उसे, her means girl है तो she के लिए यूज होता है her, it किसी थिंग के लिए यूज होते हैं, they them मतलब उनको, ज्यादा मतलब पर्सन्स हो मोर देन वन, उनके लिए हम बोलते हैं them. Okay, students. So this is today. This is the topic which we are going to do today. So first of all, I would like to tell you that yes, what is pronoun? These words are the pronouns used in place of nouns. Okay, as in today's teaching also, I have told you the words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. But this line is not mentioned in your book. ध्यान में रखना कि ये don't start finding these lines in your book. Okay, ma'am. In our notebook, in our book, nothing is written like this. So how can you say? This is just for your knowledge sake. Okay. आई नो आप क्लास वन से प्रोनाउन पढ़ते आ रहे हो, ठीक है. इन क्लास वन यू मस्ट हैव read about pronouns, I'm sure, and class two. Okay, so see sentences in purple color. These books are very interesting. Would you like to read these books? So now see, books word is written. These books. So again in the second sentence में भी मैंने क्या किया, books ही word use किया. So instead of using the word book again and again, इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना, these books are very interesting, would you like to read them? Now them, अब them ने किसको रिप्लेस किया? बुक को रिप्लेस किया. these books को रिप्लेस किया ना, बुक्स को रिप्लेस किया, इसका मतलब them is a pronoun. them is a pronoun. और ये कैसी कौन सी मतलब की टाइप होती है प्रोनाउन की, you will read about this in the higher classes. Okay, just now तो you should know the meaning of these words in Hindi, and you should know that these are pronouns. Okay, so like I am going to explain these. Yes, Priya is sleeping, don't disturb her. Now you just see Priya is a girl, so उसको disturb मत करो. उसको के लिए, अब girl के लिए बात कर रहे हैं तो उसकी उसको मतलब हर यूज करेंगे. ओके, प्रिया सो रही है, उसको डिस्टर्ब मत करो. ओके, yesterday was my birthday, my friends sent me my. ओके, आई के लिए माई यूज हुआ है. हेयर माई इज नॉट अ प्रोनाउन. माई प्रोनाउन नहीं है. ओके, टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. बट मी इज अ प्रोनाउन. माई फ्रेंड सेंट मी ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स. ठीक है, मेरे को, मुझे. ओके, मुझे, हमें, उसको, उनको. ठीक है, पापा गेव मी अ पेन. मेरे को एक ब्यूटीफुल पेन दिया, पापा ने एक ब्यूटीफुल पेन दिया. ओके, सो नंबर 3 पे है हिज डॉग वाज वैगिंग हिज टेल. ठीक है, उसका डॉग अपनी टेल हिला रहा था. अब वैगिंग का मतलब होता है जब व्हेन डॉग बहुत हैप्पी होता है ना, व्हेन द डॉग इज वेरी हैप्पी एंड ही लाइक्स इट लाइक्स समवन, तो इट स्टार्ट वैगिंग इट्स टेल. ओके, अपने टेल को इधर उधर ऐसे ऐसे करके हिलाना शुरू कर देता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वैगिंग. ओके, सो हिज डॉग लाइक्स, अब हिज है तो हिज डॉग लाइक्स हिम. ओके, हिज की बात हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, हिज की बात ही के लिए यूज हो रही है ना. his क्या है, possession शो करता है, और यहाँ पे adjective है, ये आपको हायर क्लास में, बड़ी क्लासेस में आएगा कौन से adjective होते हैं, ये आपको अभी his के, अभी ये सोच लो कि his pronoun नहीं है, just keep this thing in mind, his is not a pronoun here in this sentence. In this sentence, his is not a pronoun. Okay, so his dog likes him. Him is a pronoun. Okay, number 4 is I am hungry. मैं भूखा हूँ. Please give me something to eat. Now me is pronoun which is used for the word I. मैं hungry हूँ. कृपा करके मेरे को कुछ खाने को दो. Please give me something to eat. So students, these are the examples of pronoun. Now let's start the activity of this chapter. See, these are some sentences. You have to fill the blanks with these pronouns. First of all, please write the number. Write the number when you start writing the answer. So first is, where is Sumit? I can't see. Where is Sumit? I can't see. What will be there? Which pronoun will be there? Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So I want answers in the chat box. I want answers in the chat box. So students, can you please tell me which words? Yes, him. Him will be there. Very nice. Why him is should be there? Why him?
वहाँ पे बॉय है।
Yes, Sumit.
राघव राजीव सलवान एक ग्रुप बनाए जिसमें सिर्फ हम दोनों ही हों।
रेखा मैम, who is this child? जो भी बोल रहे हैं।
मैम राघव।
is
Raghav, switch on your camera. Raghav, switch on your camera. I want to see your face. I want to see your face, Raghav.
मैम कैमरा खराब है।
अच्छा, ऐसे होता है क्या?
मैम सॉरी फॉर इनकन्वीनियंस मैम, मोबाइल ना गिर गया था, उसके कारण ना इसका फ्रंट कैम टूट गया है।
Okay, actually, sir, he is not paying attention towards studies. He was talking to some of his friend. So please take care of this. Parents are requested to take care of this thing. Students are not paying attention towards the study during online classes. So please, you're requested to pay attention towards your children. With this way, their time will be wasted and moreover, they will lack in studies. Thank you. Chaliye, my best friend is Kangana. I often play with dash. I often play. Now, Kangana is a girl, so her. Ekvi Singh, very nice. Kangana is a girl. Okay, you have written the reason also. That's good. Kangana is a girl. Okay, I can't see her. Okay, sorry, I often play with her. Okay, my best friend is Kangana. Very nice. Okay, agar in place of Kangana some boy hota, Mohan hota, my best friend is Mohan. I often play with, then what would be in this place? Yes, in place of Kangana, yes, him. Okay, it would be him. Very nice. Okay, number 3, give me my toy. मेरा toy मुझे दो. I want dash back. I want dash back. I want it back. Very nice. Give me my toy. I want it back. Okay, number 4 is, here are Rima and Seema. Give dash this book. Rima and Seema. Now 2 persons are there. Here are Rima and Seema. Give dash this book. Now you have to use pronoun for this book or Rima and Seema. It was not involving things. Okay, her. Okay, no, Mannat Batra, this is wrong. Number 4. I am asking them. Yes, Yakshi Thakur Josna. Yes, very nice. Number 4, them. Very nice, all of you. Them. Soumya Bansal, it's wrong. Her. Harniana. Okay, it will be them. Because 2 persons are there, Rima and Seema. Rima and Seema, 2 girls are there, plural, noun is plural. सो यहाँ पे हम गिव देम दिस बुक, उनको ये बुक दो. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 इज वेयर आर माई पेन्स. I can't find. Where are my pens? I can't find. Sorry, मन्नत बता रहा, it नहीं आएगा. Where are my pens? Pens plural. Things हैं लेकिन plural हैं. These are plural. Although things are there, I know for thing we use it or he or she, but sorry, for thing तो it use करेंगे. For animals we use. Now we have started using it, he, she, all of them. And please here pens. Pens. Yes. I can't find them. Pens. Yes, pens is there. I can't find them. Very good of you. Okay. Number 6. Our teacher is very nice. मेरी teacher बहुत nice है. She doesn't give dash a lot of work. Now आप बताइए. Now it's a difficult, somewhat difficult. Yes, our teacher is very nice. She doesn't give dash a lot of work. Ah, very nice. Us. Very nice, Jyotsna Mishra. That's good. Number 6. Us. Because आर टीचर, हमारी टीचर बहुत अच्छी है. शी डज नॉट गिव, क्या आएगा, अस. शी डजंट गिव अस अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. ओके, इसीलिए तो अच्छी है क्योंकि ज्यादा काम नहीं देते हैं ना टीचर. इसीलिए जो टीचर ज्यादा काम नहीं देते हैं, दैट टीचर इज वेरी नाइस, है ना. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आई हैव रिटन दिस सेंटेंस फॉर यू पीपल. ओके, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके. ओके, चलिए, जो आपका ध्यान रखती हैं, आपको तो थोड़ा सा काम भी बहुत ज्यादा लगता है ना. चलिए next slide, I'm going to show you. Very nice, very clap for those students who have given the answers quickly and who are paying attention, and all are requested to please take care of the teaching. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है whenever we are teaching you. Okay, yes. Now see, this is the मैंने ये जो लिए हैं question answers लिए हैं. I have taken
Good morning, ma'am.
some question answers in this slide. So in question answers, okay, see, questioning and answering is done between two persons or two things. Okay, जैसे क्वेश्चन मैं कर रही हूँ आपको, आप आंसर दे रहे हो. ठीक है, टू वे प्रोसेस होता है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके, इट्स अ टू वे प्रोसेस. सो ओके, इट्स लाइक कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. आपको इसका आंसर कैसे देना है. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग यू people. Okay, who has my notebook? So answer is coming from your side. I don't know. I don't have. So what will we answer? Yes, it. Because it is the pronoun we are using for notebook. It is the pronoun we are using for notebook. That's very good. Okay. Now see, does Mr. Singh bring his daughter and son to school in his car? Does Mr. Singh bring his daughter and son to school in his car? So answer आ रहा है yes, he brings. क्या आएगा? Them. Ekvir. Very nice. Them. He brings them. Udhavi, Darshil, Raghav. Very nice. Them. Yes, he brings them. Why we have used them? Why have we used them, बच्चे? Can anybody tell in the chat box? Why have we used them? Them क्यों use किया है हमने? Why have we used them? हर जा हिम क्यों नहीं किया? Plural. Very nice, Ekvir. Plural. Okay, tell me what are plural. Name those. Write those nouns. Write those nouns. Yes. They are plural. Okay, what? Please write those plural. क्या है वो plural? Daughter and son. Very nice, Darshil. Very nice. Daughter and son. Two persons are there. So, okay, for two persons, we will use them. Okay. Number 3 is, do you know Rahul's brother? Do you know Rahul's brother? Do you know Rahul's brother? Answer is no. I don't know him. Very nice, Ikvi. Yes, Darshil. Very nice. Very nice, Gunnar. Okay. Raghav, Jyotsna Mishra. Very nice. I don't know him. Do you know Rahul's brother? No, I don't know him. If in place of brother, it would be sister. Do you know Rahul's sister? What would be the answer then? No, I don't know. If in place of brother, it's sister. Do you know Rahul's sister? Do you know?
मैम ब्लैंक की जगह पे फिर हर आना था.
Yes. So why don't you write in chat box? I'm not able to see your face. I am not able to recognize your voice. If you write in the chat box, I will be able to see the name. Okay, it's better. Okay, her. Yes. In place of him, it would be her. Okay. Okay. Number 4 is, do you and your sister come to school by car? Yes. We come. Sorry, मैंने answer बोल दिया. Oh no, Dashil, this is wrong. Yes, we come by car. Okay. Now we come. We will be used here nouns. This is a mixed I, we, you, he, she. I have taken all these, him, her, his. So yes, yes, we come by car. Now see na, answer, questioning and answer is a two-way process. It's a communication. One is questioning, other is answering. If in question you word is there, then answer will be there in we. Okay. Sometime in EVS you get this type of question. Okay. What precaution you should take? तो फिर हम answering में क्या लिखते हैं? We should. Okay, means questioning is being done to us, ठीक है, and we are answering. ऐसे होता है ना, EVS में you get these type of questions, होता है ऐसे, है ना? What precaution you should take while crossing a road. फिर आप आंसर में लिखते हो, we should cross the road at zebra crossing, we should wait for red light. Okay, then you people write these type of pronoun you use there. Okay, means क्वेश्चनिंग आपसे करिए, आप उसको वी में आंसर दोगे. सेम वे, डू यू एंड योर सिस्टर कम टू स्कूल बाय कार. क्वेश्चनिंग आपको कर रहे हैं, यू को हो रही है, तो उसका आंसर वी में ही आएगा, वी. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज teaching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I am going to ask you. You will be telling me your queries. Now your queries will be cleared. Okay. So. Thank you.